We'll guide you through how to use Google Drive Gemini, a powerful tool for managing your files with ease. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Once you're in, you'll notice a familiar interface, but with some enhanced features thanks to Gemini. To get started, click on the New button on the top left. This is where you can create new documents, spreadsheets, or presentations. You can also upload files or entire folders from your computer, making it easy to access them anywhere. Now, to explore Gemini's AI features, click on any document or open a new one. You'll see a Gemini icon on the toolbar. Click it to access AI-powered suggestions for your document. This could include grammar improvements, content suggestions, or layout adjustments. You can choose to accept or ignore these suggestions depending on your needs. If you're collaborating with others, you can share documents easily by clicking the Share button in the top right. Enter the email addresses of your collaborators and set their permissions. You can allow them to view, comment, or edit the document. This makes teamwork seamless and efficient. To keep your files organized, use the Priority section on the left sidebar. Gemini will suggest files that might be most relevant to you based on your recent activity. You can also create custom folders and drag and drop files into them for better organization. If you need to search for a specific file, use the search bar at the top. You can type in keywords or use advanced search options by clicking the drop-down arrow in the search bar to filter by file type, owner, or date modified. This makes finding files quick and painless. Finally, if you want to access your files offline, go to the Settings icon in the top right, click on Settings, and enable Offline mode. This allows you to work on documents without an internet connection, and any changes will sync once you're back online. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.